So I just come outside here, come sit down because inside of the house, it's hot, boy, it's hot. Yes, man, I can't stay inside here any longer. And if I stay inside here any longer, well, on there. Yes, sir, yes.
Afternoon, sir.
Yes, oh yes, hold on there 1 second.
Eh.
You passed in George Yard, right?
Yes, man, I passed in the house.
Okay. Tell him that Margaret
Eh.
wants him to come and clean up the yard for you in the morning. Alright? And make sure you don't come late, you know.
Alright, I will tell him.
Yes, man. Thank you, Arias. Alright, take care of yourself now. You hear about Iselin, grandniece? You know, hear that she get pregnant. You want to know about who? Me can't be talk too loud. Arias' grandson. Look how workless boy don't even have tried doing in bottom. Look how the little girl there grows.
Charlie.
Yes, Kenton.
Alright.
Yes, man. Blessings, man. Blessings.
You want me to come down here?
No, man, don't need to come down here. I can hear you good.
Okay,
Alright, take care of yourself. Oh, thief.
Bruh.
Yes, man, I'm a thief. I am thief for Gilbert blocked him out of his house. Why you taking your house down so quick? This man could have thief milk out of me can meal porridge without me know. He is a thief. That's why I don't want him down here. But hold on there now. You hear what happened with Carol?